Welcome to Elite Enlighten English channel. Enrichment of vocabulary, day 8. I hope all of you are safe. Please be safe, stay home. Those who are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe immediately. Then only you will get the notifications. Not only subscribing, but also you should put on that alarm button. Then only you will get all the notifications from my channel. Let us go to the today's session. Audience, spectators. Who are audiences and who are spectators? Audience is one who listens to the program. Okay. Suppose you go to a music program, you go to a concert, you listen to the song, you hear the song. So you are an audience. You are the audience. Suppose you go and watch a cricket match, then you are the spectator. So, audience, one who hears songs or any other programs, even through radio, audience. Spectators, one who watches. Okay, one who watches a match, movies. So, drama, they are all. One who watches drama through audio, through TV is called a spectator. One who listens to the drama through radio is audience. Okay, that is the difference. Both are nouns. Oral. We normally hear these two words. Oral is through ears. Oral through mouth. Oral, that is you just hear. Oral. Actually, you listen to a passage. A passage will be given to you in the form of audio. So you listen to that audio passage, the speech, and then you respond to the questions followed by it. That is oral. Oral, whatever you are asked, you are asked many questions, you have to respond it. That is oral. Oral examination. Next one, authoritarian, authoritative. Both are adjectives. Authoritarian is one who has power. For example, in a company, the manager. In a school, the principal or the headmaster. Okay. In an education department, district education officer or chief education officer. In a private concern, managing director. In multimedia company, CEO, chief executive officer. So, authoritarian, one who shows the power, one who uses the power. Our manager is quite authoritarian. Authoritative. Okay, it is a reliable one, official. Okay, this is an authoritative book on Indian history. That is, you can rely on this book. All the facts given in this book are quite believable. So that is called a authoritative. Then await, wait. Both are verbs. There is a very important thing I want to do this. Await should not be followed by for, but wait should be followed by for. I am waiting for my results. Wait. Wait means kathirthal in Tamil. You don't need to explain in English easily. But don't say I am awaiting for results. No, I am awaiting results. I am awaiting examination. Final year graduates, they can say we are awaiting final semester exams. We are waiting for final semester exams. So I wait for your decision. But I await your decision. Okay, please wait for me. Okay, correct. Please await me, don't say. Okay. I will wait here, okay, but don't say I will await here. So in some cases, in some situations, you need not use await. Okay. They are eagerly awaiting the announcement of the results. They are eagerly awaiting. And then award and reward, the last pair, award, reward. What do you mean by award? Award is a prize or shield given by a firm or concern or an establishment. Filmfare Award, Vijay TV announces the Filmfare Award. That is, Vijay TV is a private concern. Understand? So that they give some shield or memento or prize. Reward is just like compensation. It will given only once in a life, once in a life. Reward is in the form of monetary benefit. They will give some amount. I will be rewarded for my sincere work. That means they give some money as a token of appreciation. Generally, government employees get gratuity. That is the reward. That is the reward. We read in newspapers many times. An auto driver named so and so is rewarded by the police. That means somebody has left the cash bag in the auto. The driver sincerely took it to the police station and handed over to the owner. The owner is giving reward to the auto driver. Understand? The owner is giving reward to the auto driver. So that is reward. Suppose the owner the auto driver finds the house of the owner and directly goes to his house and hands over the bag, means cash bag, means the owner will be very, very happy because he was in very much tensed. So that time, if the auto driver goes and hands over the bag, means immediately he will feel happy and he will give some token of amount, sum of money as a token of appreciation. That is reward. Okay. So difference between award and reward, I think you might have understood very well today's session. So that's all today's session. Be safe, stay home. Please subscribe and like and share. Give your comment also in the comment box. Thank you for your patience hearing. Thank you very much. I will meet you with some other words tomorrow. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.